Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City right in front of Bally's Hotel and Casino. Haven't been in there in a while. I did a restaurant video of Bally's not too long ago, but today we're going to do a walking tour of the hotel and casino and the restaurants and the shops and so on and so forth. See if there's anything new for the upcoming season. Obviously I'm standing in front of their beach bar, not open yet, but should be opening any day or at least any week now. It's springtime here in Atlantic City. The season is right around the corner. In the meantime, let's head into Bally's and see what's going on there, shall we? This video was recorded just last week, a few days before Memorial Day, and I've been told since then that there is loud music coming from the Bally's Beach Bar, one of the more popular bars here, the beach bars on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, and the bar is indeed now open. And right across from the Bally's Beach Bar is Bally's The Yard, a great place for drinks and food and live entertainment. So you have a place to go during the day and a great place to come at night. The Bally's complex is actually made up of 3 different hotel towers. Right now we're looking at the Dennis Tower, one of the older buildings here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, and the rooms do seem older, so a heads up on that. Then they have the Bally's Tower, which is that really tall tower, and then there's the Garden Tower, which is a little bit further out back. The Yard is a garden-style venue that's a must-experience Atlantic City nightlife attraction, offering live entertainment, a gastro-pub-style menu, a curated tap list featuring local brewers and Bally's signature beers, and national brewers as well as craft cocktails. There's arcade games inside and some yard games outside, and they have some great live music in the evenings and on weekends. There's a Johnny Rockets here as well, and just like the Yard, you can eat either inside or outside. Caesars sold Bally's to a new company about 2 years ago, and the new company's been doing lots of renovations. I know they've done most of the Bally's Tower. The casino's been going under constant renovations, new carpeting and such. And, well, let's go inside and see what's going on. Already I see some new construction. Here's the front desk area of Bally's, and as you can see, there's some improvements already. That mirrored ceiling, by the way, has been here for ages. I was hoping they'd get rid of that, but not yet. There's also a 24/7 Dunkin' Donuts down here, so if you want to get a cup of coffee and a donut or a bagel or a sandwich or something in the middle of the night, that option's available. Here's the Carousel Bar. It's actually a rotating bar, and what's new here is a stage. I see that there's a stage, so they must have some live entertainment now, and I enjoyed a nice martini while I was here. I'm staying the night, not at Bally's, but I'm not driving home. I just want you guys to know that. Speaking of not staying at Bally's, I haven't stayed here in at least six months, maybe even longer. I used to get comped all the time. Haven't gotten any comps lately, but that's most likely due to the fact that I haven't been gambling here lately. You can't have one without the other. This sign caught my attention. Apparently you can use your Bally's bucks when you gamble to buy some gift cards for the outlets across the street. I had no idea. Maybe I should start gambling here again. This small escalator will take you to what Bally's calls a food court. They've only got 2 restaurants here. One is Carluccio's Pizza and the other one is Sack of Subs. They're both pretty good. I've stayed here, like I said, lots of times, and it's a great place to come later at night if you're, again, hungry and you're not in the mood for a cup of coffee and a donut. You can come here for a slice of pie or a nice sandwich. But I wouldn't call it a food court. If you want to check out the Claridge, if you haven't been there in a while and you want to check it out, this corridor takes you right there. No need to go outside. Not sure what, if anything, Bally's is doing here on the left-hand side. This Bally's drape has been here all winter long, but hopefully something's going on. Of course, I'll keep you guys posted. Hey, if you're enjoying the New York videos, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Just click on that little New York logo in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, and if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate your support, guys. Out this window you can see the boardwalk, the Korean Memorial, the beautiful park, and yes, the fountain has been turned on, and all this is all in front of the Claridge Hotel, which of course is a separate video. I was walking through this area right here when a couple, I believe they said they were from Michigan, they were asking me a lot of questions about restaurants here in Atlantic City, and I do appreciate when you guys stop me and say hi. And actually, when I was leaving Bally's today, another couple on the boardwalk spotted me, and they also said hi. They're actually at the end of this video if you want to check it out. Hey, if you see me and you want to be in a video, just say so. Here's the old Players Club location. They're actually moving it to right where you walk in on the boardwalk. When I mentioned in this video that I saw some new construction, they're building a huge Players Club location right when you come in off the boardwalk. I did take a video of it, but apparently something happened to that video file and I just can't seem to bring it up for this video. But there is construction going on for a new Players Club here at Bally's. I did take pictures of that construction, and I'll post those on the community room here on the New York channel. Speaking of Players Club, Bally's no longer tier matches. That sucks. They could certainly use the business. Further down this corridor takes you to the self-parking garage and the Wild Wild West, which is actually part of Caesars. I'll give you a quick look inside the Wild Wild West from the balcony level here at Bally's. Actually, we'll head downstairs into the Wild Wild West for just a brief second. If you want to see more of the Wild Wild West and Caesars, that's another video here on the New York channel. By the way, if you're planning a trip to beautiful Atlantic City, then check out the two playlists here on the New York channel, the Atlantic City playlist as well as the Restaurants of Atlantic City playlist. Both of those playlists will help you plan your trip out with regards to hotels, casinos, restaurants, shopping, room tours if you're trying to decide what tower to stay in, and etc. Just check out those two playlists. They're definitely going to help you with your decision making with regards to planning out your trip. If you've been reading the comments in my videos lately, you'll see that lots of people have already made decisions based on these videos, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys are using the channel to make your decisions, and that you're happy with the decisions you made. When I got here, the yard was closed, but there's a couple of videos here on the New York channel if you want to check out the yard, as well as my other channel, the Jersey Jeff Eats channel, where I have a nice burger here. Check that out. Hold on tight. I just met the nicest couple from Michigan. They spotted me over by the Carousel Bar. Very nice couple. I took the escalator up to the 6th level, also known here around Bally's as Dining on the 6th, and I was in for quite a surprise when I got to the top. Guy's Chop House, which was pretty popular, is now closed and being replaced by Park Place Prime, a new steakhouse here at Bally's. Also up here on Dining on the 6th is Casino Cafe and Grill, as well as Jerry Longo's Meatballs and Martinis. Those videos are available on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. Also, part of that Park Place Prime will be a Legacy Lounge. Park Place, by the way, is the address here at Bally's, Park Place and Boardwalk, the most expensive properties on the Monopoly board. Hey, if you'd like to support the New York channel, then click on that thanks button. Doing so will not only help support the channel, but get you a shout out on an upcoming video, and it makes videos like these possible. I appreciate your support, guys.
Hi, we're the Hugheses from Kentucky, and we ran into Jeff from New York.
Well, apparently you guys like Bally's, because I ran into 3 couples who recognized me, and they were very nice, and I'm glad when you guys stopped me and say hi. I appreciate that.